first supercharge. We're down to about 57 mile capacity, but we probably have plenty of power left, but we're just going to supercharge it. We're here at Ceremony. This is the 5th floor up, and there's just superchargers all around us. It's really cool. The whole perimeter of the parking lot. So we're going to go try it out. Okay, here's our supercharger cable. Grab one of these, come over, press that, put that in, and we got the blinking blue, and it should turn blinking green if it starts to charge. It might take a second. It's probably trying to communicate. There we go, blinking green, so it's charging now. That's great. Let's see how long it takes. It's 4:50 right now when it started. So now we're back inside the car, and it says it's only going to take 20 minutes to get us up to, we tend to set our limit at about 80%, but we may actually change that when we go up to 90%. To change how much your battery's going to fill up, you can press this one that says set limit, and then you can move this with your finger where you want it. We have it up at the high end of daily, but before trips it's about 80%, and once you have it, just press done. And now it's saying it'll take about 30 minutes to get up to that point, and that'll give us a lot more range. So while it's charging, we're going to go for a walk, and we'll lock the car, and then the charger will be locked in position until we unlock it. So it's actually safe during the charging process to leave your car, because your car will automatically lock, or you can just lock it with your phone app. So when you're in the car and you want to unlock it, you can just press that button right there that says unlock, and then you'll be able to take it out. So you want to do that before you attempt to remove it. It's left before it's all done at the supercharger. It looks like it's charging at about 164 miles per hour. That's pretty fast. At home we get about 3 or 4 miles per hour. So that's bringing in the power a lot faster. And this has been a 30-minute total time for supercharging. Almost done with our very first time supercharging, and it looks like it's added 154 miles to our range. So we now have, looks like we're about 80% full, but we have 211 miles of range, and it's just doing its final calculations. So our charging is complete, and it did the unlock for us, and it should be all set. So we're going to unlock it. There we go. And there's idle fees if you keep it for any time beyond 5 minutes after it's fully charged. So we should be able to just pull this out. Just put that back. And that was very easy, very simple, straightforward. Didn't take long. Put that back in. That closed all by itself. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. At least 20 Teslas charging right now. Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance, and also hit the notification bell so we can send you lots more videos just like this one.